So, adding and subtracting rational algebraic expression with dissimilar denominator is just like adding and subtracting dissimilar fraction. Okay, for example, I have here 3 over 7 plus 1 over 3. Okay, step 1, we need to find the LCD. So again, what is the meaning of LCD? Least common denominator. So to find the LCD of 7 and 3, so we can use the 3 methods. So mamimili lang kayo doon. Either factor 3 or the prime factorization. Ano pa? The continuous division or the listing method. So since our denominator is 7 and 3, meaning mababang number lang naman yan, pwede natin i-apply si listing method. Okay, what we're going to do? We need to list all the multiples of 7. Oh, what are those? Start from 7, 14, 28, 35, 42, and so on. Next, list all the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, after writing all the multiples of 7 and 3, identify the least common. Pinakamababang parehas. 21. 21. Very good. Therefore, our LCD is 21. So after getting the LCD, what's next? Okay, we need to write the given dissimilar fraction to similar fraction. So what we're going to do? We need to apply the divide and times method. Okay, so we have 21 divided by 7. 3 times 3. 9. Next, 21 divided by 3. 7 times 1. Okay, so kapag naging similar fraction na, last step, so we're going to add the numerator, then keep the denominator. So 9 plus 7
16
over
21.
Then simplify your answer if necessary. Do you think we can simplify 16 over 21? Okay, no. Kung no na, therefore this is the answer. Ito no. Okay, or another method is by using the what? The butterfly method. Okay, so butterfly method, just simply multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. So 3 times 3, 9. Ano 6? Wow. 3 times 3, 9. And then plus 7 times 1, 7. Over, multiply the denominator, 7 times 3. 21. Then after that, simplify the numerator, 9 plus 7,
8.
over, and then simplify your answer if necessary. So therefore, the answers are the same.